Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OVHcloud VPS Manager in the US step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the OVHcloud login URL. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you need to enter your OVHcloud credentials. In the first field, input your username or email address associated with your account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your account password carefully. Once both fields are filled, look for the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your OVHcloud dashboard. From there, find the VPS section in the main menu. Click on the VPS option to access your VPS configurations. You are now successfully logged into the OVHcloud VPS Manager. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double-check your credentials. You can also reset your password if needed by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Now you're ready to manage your VPS efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.